looks so nice. Oh my god. I'm smelly. Smelly dog. Smelly dog. It's not your fault.
Scratch and sniff.
Scratch and sniff. Scratch and sniff. Anyways, for right now, I want to probably create a few more stickers for my shop. I kind of want to figure out what is it that I want to do for my shop and kind of transition it to more stationary stuff. So that's what I'm in the works of right now and see how that works. I don't know. But here Max is gonna wish us good luck, huh? Yep. Alright. You smelly. Smelly cat.
There's no way we're gonna get smelly cat and smelly dog together.
Smelly cat.
Look at him.
Smelly cat. Smelly dogs. It's all your fault. What am I doing?
Fire the big butts. The ass brigade.
Oh my god, it's so small compared to mine.
That's what she said.
This is so crazy.
Can you wave at me?
First of all, apologies for not uploading for the past 2 weeks. It's been a little crazy with school starting last week, and kind of trying to figure things out before school started. I also had, we could say, somewhat of some rough mental weeks. I deal with anxiety and somewhat, I guess, depression as well. So there's days where I felt a little depressed, and it was hard. It was hard to kind of, I guess, stay active or stay productive, should say. So it just took a little bit of time to just kind of take care of myself, and obviously here, bullet journal. I did things that made me feel, oh my god, my computer is at 1%. Okay, we survived. It's plugged in. We're at 9% now. We're good to go. Anyways, not trying to kill the vibe here, but yeah, just trying to do things that kind of help my mind try to reset. Having a little bit of reading before night, and just self-love, self-care. I'm reading Light is the New Black, and I really love this book. It seems like every time that I grab it, it has something to tell me of something that I'm dealing with at that point. So bear with me while I try to figure out the schedule of how it's going to work with school or my grad program. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking around. I love you guys very, very much, and I am excited to see you guys next time. So take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.